Welcome, dear friends. Our journey today will take us to the heart of Mother Earth. Our voyage is not one of miles, but of mindfulness. It's a journey of inward exploration, a path to our deepest selves, through the core of the earth, the source of our being. Meditation is our vessel, a tool that allows us to navigate the vast ocean of our consciousness. It's a practice that has been embraced by countless cultures and generations, a testament to its timeless wisdom. Yet, despite its ancient roots, meditation remains as relevant today as ever, a haven of peace in a world that often seems chaotic. But before we embark on our journey, we must prepare ourselves. Just as a ship needs to set its sails, we too need to prepare our minds. And the first step in this preparation is breathwork. Our breath is the life force that fuels our existence, the constant ebb and flow that mirrors the rhythm of the universe. By focusing on our breath, we can anchor ourselves in the present moment, the only place where life truly exists. So let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs, the life force spreading through your body. Hold this breath for a moment, feeling the energy it brings. Now, slowly release it, letting go of any tension or stress. Do this a few more times, each breath a step closer to relaxation. Each exhale a release of what no longer serves you. Remember, there's no rush. This is your journey, your moment. Let your breath guide you, its rhythm a soothing lullaby that calms your mind and prepares you for the journey ahead. As you release your last exhale, feel the calmness enveloping you, preparing you for our journey within. You are now ready to delve into the silence, to explore the depths of your consciousness, to connect with the heart of Mother Earth. Let's begin our voyage, friends. Into the heart of the earth, into the heart of ourselves. Imagine a system of energy centers within you, known as chakras. This ancient concept, rooted in the spiritual traditions of India, describes 7 major chakras, or wheels of energy, that spin in a vertical line down the body from the top of the head to the base of the spine. Each chakra is associated with a different color, a unique set of physical, emotional, and spiritual characteristics, and a specific element. They function like invisible recharge points that connect our physical bodies to the energy universe around us. Now let's take a brief journey through these 7 chakras. Starting at the base of our spine, we have the root chakra, represented by the color red. It correlates with our feelings of safety, security, and our basic needs. Moving up, we find the sacral chakra in our lower abdomen. Its color is orange, and it governs our creativity, sexuality, and ability to accept others and new experiences. Next is the solar plexus chakra, located in the stomach area. It shines with a yellow light, and it influences our self-confidence, control, and ability to be content with our lives. In the center of our chest, we discover the heart chakra. This green energy center is all about love, kindness, and affection. At our throat, the light blue throat chakra takes the stage. It's associated with our ability to communicate, express ourselves, and speak our personal truth. In the middle of our forehead, we have the indigo-colored third eye chakra, which is linked to intuition, imagination, and the ability to make decisions. Finally, at the top of our head is the crown chakra. It's represented by the color violet and relates to our spiritual connection to ourselves, others, and the universe. These chakras are the unseen force centers that influence our life, our health, and our state of mind. Balancing these chakras can lead to a harmonious life, full of peace, happiness, and health. Understanding these energy centers is key to our journey today. Visualize the color red, the color of our first chakra, the root chakra. The root chakra, or Muladhara in Sanskrit, is located at the base of our spine. It acts as our energetic foundation, our connection to the physical world and Mother Earth. It's from this chakra that we draw our life force energy, the primal and elemental force that fuels our existence. The root chakra is associated with the element of earth, symbolizing stability and groundedness. It's the anchor that ties us to the physical world, allowing us to feel secure, present, and balanced. When our root chakra is in harmony, we feel connected, safe, and secure. We are more confident in our ability to face challenges, and we have a stronger sense of our place in the world. Now let's take a moment to deepen this connection to our root chakra and Mother Earth. Close your eyes and visualize yourself standing on a lush, verdant field. Feel the solid earth beneath your feet, its strength and steadiness. Picture a root system emerging from your feet, burrowing deep into the rich, nurturing soil. This root system is an extension of your root chakra, a physical manifestation of your connection to the world around you. As the roots delve deeper, they draw up the energy of the earth, a warm, vibrant red energy that travels up your roots, filling you with a sense of grounding and stability. Feel this energy circulating within you, moving from the base of your spine and spreading throughout your body. This is the energy of life, the energy of existence, the energy of Mother Earth. It grounds you, stabilizes you, and connects you to the world around you. As you stand there, rooted to the earth, take a moment to appreciate this connection. Feel the energy of the earth grounding you, stabilizing you. This is your foundation, your anchor. It's from this place of groundedness and stability that you can grow, thrive, and reach for the stars. Feel the energy of the earth grounding you, stabilizing you. Moving upwards, visualize the roots changing color with each chakra. The journey through the chakras is an exploration of self and our connection to the universe. It's a vibrant spectrum, a ladder to climb, each rung a different hue, each chakra a different energy. From the grounding red of the root chakra, we ascend to the sacral chakra, just below the navel. Imagine the roots around you changing from a deep, earthy red to a warm, vibrant orange. The sacral chakra is our center of creativity and passion. It's where we experience pleasure and joy, the feelings that make us human and alive. As we continue to ascend, the roots around us change to a bright, sunlit yellow, reflecting the energy of the solar plexus chakra. This is the core of our self-esteem, our personal power, our individuality. When this chakra is in balance, we feel confident and in control, ready to face the world and its challenges. Next, imagine the roots shifting to a calming, healing green, the color of the heart chakra. This is the bridge between the physical and spiritual chakras, the place where love and compassion reside. Feel your heart expand with empathy and kindness, embracing the interconnectedness of all living beings. The journey continues to the throat chakra, symbolized by a clear sky blue. This chakra governs our communication, our ability to speak our truth and listen to others. It's about expressing ourselves authentically and understanding the power of our words. As we ascend higher, the roots around us transform into a deep, mystical indigo, the color of the third eye chakra. Located between our eyebrows, this chakra is our center of intuition and wisdom. It's the eye of the soul, allowing us to see beyond the physical world and into the realm of the unseen. And finally, we reach the crown chakra, at the top of our head. Imagine the roots radiating a brilliant, transcendent violet, symbolizing our connection to the divine, to the universe. This is the chakra of enlightenment, the realization that we are not separate beings, but part of a vast, interconnected cosmos. Each chakra, each color, each energy plays a vital role in our overall well-being. They are like notes in a symphony, each contributing to the harmony of the whole. When our chakras are in balance, we feel grounded yet free, human yet divine, connected to the earth and to the cosmos. As we ascend the chakra ladder, we not only become more aware of our own energies, but also our connection to the world and the universe. We realize that we are not just physical beings living in a physical world, but spiritual beings in a spiritual universe. We understand that our thoughts, emotions, and actions ripple out, affecting not just us, but everything and everyone around us. So, as we climb this vibrant ladder, let's remember to honor each chakra, each color, each energy. Let's acknowledge our roots in the earth, our connection to the cosmos, and our journey through this beautiful spectrum of life. And now, as we reach the crown chakra, feel a sense of unity with the universe. Feel the energy of the universe flowing through you, grounding you, and connecting you to all that is. Know that you are a vital part of this vast, beautiful cosmos. And with this awareness, carry the colors, the energies, the lessons of the chakras with you, as you navigate your journey through life. Have you heard the story of Wangari Maathai, the woman who planted trees? In the heart of Kenya, a woman named Wangari Maathai dared to change the world, one tree at a time. Born into a humble family, she was the first woman in East and Central Africa to earn a doctorate degree. Her passion, the earth, our glorious mother, provider of life and sustenance. Wangari saw the earth's pain, mirrored in the struggles of her people. The forests of her childhood, once lush and abundant, were rapidly disappearing, leaving behind barren lands and despair. She realized that the health of her people was intimately connected to the health of the earth. So, she began to plant trees. Wangari started the Greenbelt movement, an initiative that encouraged rural women to plant trees in their communities. These trees provided shade, prevented soil erosion, and even offered fruits and nuts for the women to sell, empowering them economically while restoring the earth's vitality. Through her tireless efforts, more than 50 million trees were planted across Kenya. She showed the world that every single action, no matter how small it may seem, can make a profound impact. Now let's draw parallels between Wangari's journey and our meditation journey. Like Wangari, we are embarking on a journey of healing and transformation. We are nurturing our inner landscapes, just as she nurtured the Kenyan soils. The seeds we plant within ourselves, of mindfulness, compassion, and self-awareness, are akin to the trees she planted. Each breath we take, each moment we spend in meditation, is a step towards healing ourselves, and in turn, healing the world. Wangari Maathai once said, "You cannot protect the environment unless you empower people, you inform them, and you help them understand that these resources are their own, that they must protect them." Similarly, we must understand that our inner peace and balance are our own, and it's our responsibility to nurture and protect them. Like Maathai, we too can find balance and peace through our connection with the earth. Remember the tale of Pocahontas and her deep bond with nature? In the grand tapestry of stories that explore our relationship with the earth, Pocahontas stands as a beacon of connection, respect, and harmony. The narrative of Pocahontas, a Native American woman of the Powhatan tribe, is a poignant reminder of the importance of maintaining a deep, reverential connection with nature. She was not just a passive observer of the earth's wonders, but an active participant in its cycles. Pocahontas understood that she was a part of the earth, not apart from it. In the Disney adaptation of her story, Pocahontas teaches John Smith, an outsider to her land, to see the world in a grain of sand and heaven in a wildflower, to hold infinity in the palm of his hand, and eternity in an hour. She teaches him to listen to the wind, the rustling leaves, the babbling brooks, and the whispering grass. She shows him that every rock, tree, and creature has a life, a spirit, and a name. The moral of her story is not just about respecting nature, but about understanding our place within it. It's about recognizing that we are woven into the fabric of life on this planet, and that harming the earth ultimately means harming ourselves. Pocahontas exemplifies mindfulness, and her story is a meditation on the earth. She encourages us to open our senses, to truly see, hear, and feel the world around us. She inspires us to ground ourselves in the present moment, to let the roots of the earth wrap around us, chakra by chakra, and to connect us to the world in all its vibrant, pulsating energy. Just like Pocahontas, we too can learn to listen to the earth, to respect it, and to find peace in its embrace. So, as we journey through life, let us remember to tread lightly, to cherish every leaf, every stone, every creature. And let us remember that when we honor the earth, we honor ourselves. As our journey comes to an end, take a moment to appreciate the calm within you. This serenity is a testament to your journey through the chakras, a journey that began at the roots of the earth and ascended through the vibrant spectrum of our inner life force. You began grounded in the red of the root chakra, your connection to the earth, to stability and survival. The orange of the sacral chakra then ignited your creativity and emotional balance. The yellow solar plexus chakra kindled your personal power and self-confidence, while the green heart chakra opened you to love and compassion. The blue throat chakra helped you find your voice and express your truth. The indigo third eye chakra opened the door to intuition and wisdom. And finally, the violet crown chakra connected you to the divine, to a higher consciousness. Each chakra, each color, each stage of this journey has a role to play in your well-being. Just as the Earth, with its diverse landscapes, seasons, and ecosystems, is a complex, interconnected whole, so too are you. Your chakras, your emotions, your thoughts, and your physical body are all part of a beautiful, intricate system that is you. This mindfulness meditation is not a one-time journey. It's a practice, a lifelong exploration of the inner landscapes of your being. Like the roots of a tree, your connection to the earth and your understanding of your chakras can only grow deeper with time and consistent practice. Remember the story of Pocahontas, a tale that reminds us of the importance of being connected to nature. The earth is not just a place we inhabit. It's a living entity that nurtures us, grounds us, and teaches us invaluable lessons about life and our place in it. As we part ways, carry this peace with you, and remember, the earth is always there, ready to ground you, to nurture you. Until next time, dear friends,